We're filming something today.
Shock and horror. We haven't filmed.
I wonder if.
The kitchen. The kitchen is a mess. Everything is a mess. And so naturally, we decided that we're gonna go for a walk.
Yes. Kutsu will clean the apartment. Right, Kutsu?
Like he built the shoe rack.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, it is Friday. Welcome to this vlog.
Hello.
For you, it's just a week away since we filmed last. For us, it's 3 weeks.
So long?
Yeah, I think we filmed the unboxing, and that was the bonus video. If you haven't seen that, check it out. Other than that, I don't remember when we did the last travel roulette.
2 or 3 weeks ago, yeah.
Something like that. So we're getting back on the vlogging horse because we have nothing else to edit. Because we haven't filmed anything else. I had so much footage.
Yeah.
So much footage, and the ratio of editing to posting was just...
We need more footage. More footage!
No, I need to edit faster.
Pay someone.
No. Anyway, so welcome to the chaos as usual. We're gonna try to catch the sunset at the I don't know, Donau. Next to pretty water. The temperature is pretty weird. It's 13 degrees, but it will be 2, so...
Yeah, but not now, like tonight or something. No?
Yes, but what does tonight mean? Because tonight might be sunset.
Up to the sunset.
So it's gonna be 13 degrees up until the sunset,
Yes.
and then 2 degrees.
Immediately. Because we live on the moon. Hello!
Hello. Okay, let's go.
Hello. Honey.
We are checking in with you guys. Basically, we battled 500 million thousand flies.
And we ate all of it.
Awesome. But we managed to find a little nook of nature next to like some fishing
Huts.
Yes, stations.
Stuff.
Yeah. We're just gonna enjoy the last rays of sun, and we will come here next fall. So that's
After the flies.
die.
No more flies. Fucking flies.
Too many flies. Hello, good morning-ish. Afternoon, it's almost already lunch. We started the day off by going grocery shopping because the almighty tiramisu gods were like, you need tiramisu today, so you have to buy tiramisu. It was very important, out of our hands, and about 1,000 more things fell into our basket. It happened. I don't know what the plan for today is. Hello, we bought a printer. Ta-da! It's pizza time! Pizza time! Are you excited for the pizza making?
No. But I will make it anyway and it will be delicious. I'm very excited. I'm very excited about pizza. I'm always excited about pizza. It's pizza! Pizza.
Good morning! It is Sunday. Happy day again. Part 2. This weekend has been so nice and sunny. So what we are going to do now is prepare a quick lunch, and we are gonna pack up and go have a lovely, aesthetic, Instagram worthy, probably not, but we're gonna have a picnic. That's what I'm trying to say. You're trying not to make noise.
Yes.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog? You say the good morning to the vlog?
Hello to the vlog.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you excited for the picnic?
Yes.
For our first salad type of skewers, we are going to need a cucumber, cherry tomatoes, low-fat feta cheese, and some grapes. For the next little recipe, we're gonna make some sweet pepper and mushroom quiche type of situation. We're going to use some sweet pepper, some mushrooms, an egg, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. They will have to go in the oven to develop as young muffin adults, or just for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. And the muffins are out of the oven. Next on our agenda is some lovely pizza balls. To do this, we will start with the dough.
We have 150 grams of flour and 75 grams of water and 3 grams of salt. Now this needs to rest for 10 minutes because the dough needs to relax so that it's easier to handle after.
It's pizza roll time!
They're now ready to go in the oven.
And done.
Are you excited?
Yes, so excited! I'm so happy! Oh, finally getting to use the thermos as well. I made lemonade.
Thermos.
Thermos. Are you happy?
Yes, yes. I'm very hungry. I want to eat.
Pork.
But we
So good.
Hello.
I'm so excited and happy.
And cold. It's very
I'm not-
windy.
Yeah, it's so windy. Well, it's not very windy. It just starts randomly, a burst of wind out of nowhere, like
it's very
now.
cloudy.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Well, yeah.
Well,
The weather is very weird. It's been sunny the entire day, and then there were periods where it was cloudy, extremely windy, and hopefully the sun will shine again. It's super nice though, and when it's not windy, it's warm and nice. And I've been waiting to have a picnic for a year.
almost a year.
Almost, yeah, in August a year. But I'm so happy, and the park is full of people having picnics and playing games
A lot
and
of doggos.
so many doggos.
Yes.
It's so nice and sunny now. What was your favorite part of the food?
Of the food, everything. Except the tiramisu. We should not do it like that anymore.
My favorite part was the skewers, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I liked it.
Simple and
Efficient.
effective.
Yeah. We're gonna play some cards. We have some Doctor Who flex cards, which usually I always win. So
Yes.
let's see.
Let's see who's winning now.
Yeah.
Anything good?
I have Differ Doctor. Pum, pum, pum. I'm a winner.
Yes.
Hello.
You win again. Fine.
We're gonna go home and maybe play something else, or I don't know, let's see. Maybe take a nap.
Maybe.
such a lovely Sunday.
Yeah.
See you home.
Bye bye. Hello. What are we doing here?
Well, we are here to end the vlog. It is literally the end of the day. Nick just made some delicious soup.
And some salad.
And some salad. I had an hour and some minutes talk with my parents while Nick cooked. And I guess that's all for today. And I think your parents are writing you now.
Most likely, yeah.
So we're gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed a very, very lovely weekend.
Yeah, it was very nice. Very, very nice.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.